Have you seen those viral ads showcasing a hyper-realistic robot pony that blinks, wags its tail, and reacts to touch like a living creature? They're all over Facebook and Instagram, claiming this AI-powered toy named Niku Realistic Robot Pony is a must-have for kids and collectors alike. But the truth behind these ads is a mix of smoke and mirrors. After digging deep into what's actually being sold, it's clear that the visuals in these promotions are heavily AI-generated, not real footage of an actual functioning toy. The pony's movements in the videos are way too smooth and lifelike for the current state of consumer robotics, and you'll often notice glitches, like distorted limbs or unnatural blinking that are telltale signs of animation rather than physical mechanics. The claims that it's handmade or powered by advanced AI don't align with the low-cost plastic or plush toys people actually receive, which often resemble something worth only a few dollars, not the $70, $100 price tag shown. Many of the online stores selling these items don't provide real customer support, have no clear refund policies, and are packed with fake 5-star reviews, some even using stolen content from genuine creators. That said, the idea of a robot pony is fascinating, and the concept clearly taps into something people are excited about, but at this point the reality doesn't live up to the hype. So while it's not a complete scam in every case, it's far from the futuristic AI pet the ads make it out to be. Be cautious and always do your research before spending your money on something that might look magical in a video but ends up disappointing in real life.